Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens here, showing you how to replace the mower belt, which is also known as the PTO belt, on your Ariens ZENITH zero-turn mower. Like all maintenance on an Ariens zero-turn mower, this process is easy and can be done with your own tools in your own garage. But before we start, let's just have a look at the safety section in your operator's manual to familiarize ourselves with safe practices when completing service.
Remove the left belt cover from the deck. Remove the PTO idler spring hook from the anchor bolt with a spring puller. If a spring puller isn't available, try using a generous length of thin but strong rope. Now remove the right belt cover. Remove the mower belt idler spring hook from the anchor bolt. Again, if you don't have a spring puller, you can use a different suitable tool or some rope. Remove the belt from around the clutch pulley at the rear of the unit. Open the access cover. Remove the nut retaining the belt finger bolt to the PTO idler arm and remove the belt finger bolt. While you have a good view of the belt routing, take a picture that you can reference when installing a new belt. Then remove the PTO belt. Now remove the mower belt. Install the new belts, starting with the mower belt. This belt is installed with the cogged side wrapped around the spindle pulleys and with its flat side against the idler pulley. Once the belt is aligned in the pulleys, reinstall the idler spring hook around the anchor bolt, then ensure the belt has tension and moves with little resistance. Refer to the picture you took earlier to correctly route the PTO belt around the spindle pulleys and the idlers. The belt must be installed with the narrower side wrapped around the spindle pulleys and with the wider side against the idler pulleys. Reinstall the belt finger bolt into the PTO idler arm. Turn the bolt enough so a few threads are through the idler arm and reinstall the original nut onto the bolt. Install the belt finger bolt so a few of its threads are visible beyond the bottom of the nut, but don't turn it too far that the bolt head interferes with the top of the idler pulley. Then tighten the hardware. Close the access cover. Position the PTO belt above the transaxle brace and install the belt around the clutch. Reinstall the PTO idler spring onto the anchor bolt, Then check that the belt has tension and is correctly aligned in all pulleys. Reinstall the left belt cover. And now the right belt cover.
And though this process really wasn't too difficult, remember you guys always have the option to leave this procedure up to your nearest Ariens servicing dealer, which can be found at ariens.com/dealers. Now, if you are comfortable doing this one on your own, remember you can find the replacement belt part number in the service parts section of your operator's manual. New belts can be purchased from your nearest Ariens dealer or from the Ariens online parts store at parts.ariens.com. And that's all for today, but remember guys, as always, if you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the Ariens logo in the lower right corner of the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel.